Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is veil. It is spelt V-E-I-L. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Veil is a noun that refers to a piece of cloth or other material worn to cover or conceal something, often worn as a head covering by women in some cultures and religions, or to conceal something such as a face or a building. For example, you could say, she wore a veil to her wedding. Or, the building was veiled in secrecy. The word veil comes from the Old English word fegel, which means a cover, and it has been used for centuries to cover or conceal something, whether it be a face, a building, or a secret. In the children's classic novel, The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett, the main character, Mary Lennox, discovers a hidden garden that had been veiled and hidden away by a locked door and thick ivy. Synonyms for veil are cover, conceal, shroud, and mask. Antonyms for veil include reveal, expose, and uncover. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, veil. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.